Ladies and gentlemen, irony died 1,000 deaths in Punjab. Just look at these visuals. You might think this is the motorcade of Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann, or maybe Donald Trump had descended to Punjab. But guess again. It's none other than former Delhi Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal. We're talking about 24 vehicles driving down the road as part of his grand cavalcade. From bulletproof cars to luxurious SUVs, Kejriwal is pulling out all the stops to ensure his swag is nothing short of epic, while he heads out for his 10-day Vipassana. Vipassana. Prabhu ke charan mein with 24 security cars of all makes. Gone are those days when he used to roam around with a basic ballpoint pen costing 5 rupees in his pocket, a muffler around his neck, a baggy sweater and a blue Wagoner, portraying a carefully curated image of being the common man. Today, when he is not even an MLA, he likes to flaunt the trappings of power even more than the Chief Minister of Punjab may be. Well, the times have completely changed, and how? Another example of Aam Aadmi Party's hypocrisy is on display in Punjab. The very same party that patronized protesting Kisans as they blockaded Delhi borders is now accusing them of causing losses to the state exchequer with their protests. The same Kisans who were the Annadatas when they were protesting against the BJP government were very good for the Aam Aadmi Party. Today, they are a headache for Punjab Chief Minister. The BJP and the Congress are now up in arms. They say that Kejriwal is exploiting state resources to satiate his maniacal ego, while the Aam Aadmi Party has justified the security cover, calling it a protocol for any VVIP, no longer armed. Listen in to the war of words.
मानसिक रोगी साइकेट्रिस्ट कहते हैं, तो इनको वहां जाना चाहिए. केजरीवाल एक ऐसा आदमी है, मेरे ख्याल आपने गिरगिट सुनी होगी, तो वो रंग बदलने में थोड़ा टाइम लगाती है. केजरीवाल तो गिरगिट से भी आगे निकल के आया.
वो पंजाब तो जिस कारणों से गए हैं वो हम सबको पता है. दिल्ली का चुनाव हारने के बाद मेरे लिए एक माकूल सीट ढूंढ रहे हैं. मुझे लगता है विपाशना तो बहाना है. पंजाब में विपाशना नहीं विलासिता है. मुझे तो लगता है ये विपाशना नहीं, ये वासना है भोग की.
वो प्राइवेट गाड़ियां अगर एक हमारे नेशनल कन्वीनर है, वो अगर उनके आगे पीछे उनको कंपनी करने के लिए 100 के अगर 200 वर्कर्स वॉलंटियर्स लीडर भी जाएंगे तो मनजिंदर सिरसा के पेट में क्या दर्द हो रहा है जी.
You're watching the News Hour at 9, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Anand Ranganathan and Saeed Asad Abbas on the News Hour tonight is Advocate Anmol Pawar, National Spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. And Anmol Pawar, my question to you is, ये आम आदमी हमारा चला कहाँ गया? इतनी जल्दी हार मान ली. 24 गाड़ियों का काफिला, 24 cars to secure Arvind Kejriwal. Really? Is that Aam Aadmi Party's signal that it's no longer Aam Aadmi ki party? Number one. And number two, of course, let me also ask about the Kisans. कल तक आप किसानों के साथ खड़े थे, आज उनके खिलाफ खड़े हैं. भैया कुछ भी वो नहीं रहा जो पहले था.
Good evening, Navika ji. Navika ji, gazab baat ye hai that the party whose government is in Punjab, Aam Aadmi Party, who's actively dismantling the international drug mafia, is now being questioned for providing security to its leader. The Ministry of Home Affairs very categorically said during the Delhi Assembly elections that there is serious threat to the life of Arvind Kejriwal ji. And in the past 3 years, let me give you some figures to your viewers what has happened in Punjab. 6,500 big smugglers arrested in 3 years, 30,000 plus FIRs registered in NDPS case, 10,000 plus police transfers to dismantle drug politicians network, 100 plus corrupt police officials arrested for aiding drug traffickers, heroin seizures up by 600%, conviction rate 85% versus 59% in 2018 during the Congress regime. 294 drug drones intercepted in 2024. तो ये जो इतने सारे काम हो रहे हैं ना, जो ड्रग कार्टेल को पूरी तरह से डिमोलिश करने के लिए पंजाब सरकार प्रतिबद्ध है एंड वर्किंग टायरलेसली, दैट हैज अनसेटल्ड द बीजेपी एंड अकालीज, अंडर हुज रूल दिस अंडर हुज रूल्स ये ड्रग माफिया था, ये फला फूला करता था. So that is why they are
so because you are busting drug cartels, so Mr. Arvind Kejriwal needs a cavalcade of 24 cars to protect him. Well, security perception is something that nobody can argue with. Tuhin Sinha, why are you making a big deal out of this? After all, every neta has these security protocols. Why grudge it only to Arvind Kejriwal is what Advocate Pawar is asking.
Well, since the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson has thrown some data about Punjab, let me also begin with some data. Punjab today is the economically, weakest state. The debt to GSDP ratio stands at the all-time high of 47%, with debts to the tune of 4 lakh crore. So that's point number one. Don't mention about the what they have been doing on the drugs front, because we are all aware of it. Now the problem with Kejriwal is that he is, he's a megalomaniac. He is an incorrigible megalomaniac, whether in power or whether out of power. And the way he went about with 27 cars accompanying him and possibly 100 plus, security personnel, 100 plus police commandos, only shows that he has not learnt a single lesson from the Delhi debacle. In the same way that he constructed Sheesh Mahal over there, it seems that now Punjab government is going to splurge on his security, which Punjab government cannot afford because of its already weak economic situation. And I hope, Sir Arvind Kejriwal realizes that he's nobody today. Till the time he, was chief minister or the proxy chief minister of Delhi, there could have been some security threat, but he's absolutely nobody. And in the last 3 weeks, he has not even raised a single issue. He should, take on the Delhi government now instead of going on Vipassana.
Yeah. If he takes you on, you say that abhi 4 din bhi nahi hue, he is already taking you on. Well, that argument doesn't really hold. But Anand Ranganathan, should we grudge Arvind Kejriwal his security cover? After all, he is the chief of a national party. There is drug busting going on in Punjab. And Advocate Anmol Pawar says, why are we grudging him his security cover?
Navika, I'm in a conundrum whether to talk about the topic at hand, which I must do, or whether to, first of all, rebut the fake news being spread by my good friend and brother Anmol Pawar. Please allow me to take 10 seconds to do the latter first. The drug menace has worsened in Punjab. What is Advocate Anmol ji talking about? More than recent Parliament report has said, more than 6 million active drug users are in Punjab, including 373,000 children. People are being hooked in Punjab to drugs. What kind of statistics has he come out? Punjab now stands ranked 3rd behind the people who are using drugs, who have been caught for drugs and drug-related murders. Upwards of 20% in Punjab. ये कौन सी statistics? ये वही statistics तो नहीं लाए जो अनमोल जी लाए थे. If you remember 7th February को, if I'm not mistaken, जब ये कह रहे थे कि आम आदमी पार्टी को 60 सीट्स मिलने वाली हैं, हो सकता है वही डेटा वही कंपनी हायर करी है. Now let me come to the topic. Look, if it is mandated that someone like Arvind Kejriwal deserves Z plus security, and I think he does, then I have no qualms. But the point is, Arvind Kejriwal himself, in wanting to be holier than thou, has shrugged this security. So if at all anybody should castigate Arvind Kejriwal, it should be like Karthik calling Karthik. Arvind Kejriwal should be saying कि 23 गाड़ियों का cavalcade क्यों ले जा रहे हो आप? ऊपर से लाल बत्ती क्यों लगा रखी है आपने? But then again, it is the same Kejriwal whose government is now embroiled in 14 CAG reports that one by one, layer upon layer is exposing the unbelievable scams, including the fact that 21 Mohalla clinics did not even have a thermometer, including the fact that 96 lakhs worth of curtains were being purchased by Arvind Kejriwal when Delhiites were dying in the Delta wave wanting oxygen cylinders. So Navika, spending money on Arvind Kejriwal is nothing new. Having said that, just last 10 seconds. It was the Delhi High Court that castigated the Arvind Kejriwal then government, saying that a patient has died because of want of a CAT scan machine. There are only 6 CAT scan machines in Delhi hospitals. And how much did you spend on government ads? Then it was that our government disclosed to the court that, my lords, in the last 3 years, we have spent 1,200 crores on ads. So spending taxpayers' money on Arvind Kejriwal is nothing.
Anmol Pawar wants to rebut. Anmol Pawar.
Navika ji, it's after 27 years, 27 long years that the people of Delhi have voted the Bharatiya Janata Party in power. And a responsible government is expected to fulfill its promises, work for the welfare of people and honor its commitment. Now the attempts are being made to divert the public attention from the promises which the Bharatiya Janata Party has made. आज 5 March हो गई. After 3 days, it's the Honorable Prime Minister Modi who promised to the women of Delhi that they'll get 2500 honorarium, 2500 रुपए की महिला सम्मान राशि, महिला अंतर्राष्ट्रीय दिवस पर. But instead of
So is that the reason why there are 24 security cars? Is that the reason why you are against farmers today, the same farmers who were your brothers till yesterday when they were protesting against the central government? You know, Advocate Anmol Pawar, the question is, in politics, perception is everything. Perception. Saeed Abbas, perception kya bata rahi hai? With 24 security cars, what is the perception telling you about Arvind Kejriwal? Is he Aam Aadmi anymore?
Navika ji, I believe that if there is a threat to life, as per the Ministry of Home Affairs, their mandate, he is mandated to his security. And as Mr. Arora, the Punjab AAP chief said, there were also volunteers cast, there were karyakartas who were also a part of this motorcade. Now coming quickly to my friend BJP.
Okay, well, I'm completely out of time, Saeed Abbas. Is this because of security, or is this just now the frills and fancy of just being in power? Well, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, of course, is not even an MLA right now, but he is the chief of a national political party. Taam jham to hona hi chahiye. Isn't that how politics in India work? Well, we'll leave it at that. And he's not the only politician. It is the sense of power that goes with every single politician in India. Necessary? Certainly not. But well, how will we, the Aam Aadmi, understand? We leave it at that. Thank you very much to all my panelists, and thank you, viewers, for joining me on the News Hour tonight.